All right, you ready? Okay. So today, we're going to work on some stories and answering some questions. Okay? Now, before we start that, we're going to be working on WH questions. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. So there's a couple that I want you to focus on today, okay, Hunter? All right. Who means it's a person or maybe an animal. So point to the person who's working with you right now. That's who. Who's the person you're working with right now? Who's sitting next to you right now?
It's the chair.
Who? Who's the person? You're a person and?
Voice.
Am I a person? Yeah? So I'm the person, I'm who you're working with. And who did you come to the library here with?
To the school.
Not the school. You came here with,
Here.
who's the person that you came with? Came with, who's the lady who was here, who brought you here?
Mom.
Mommy. Okay. All right. When you say what, that's a thing. What is this?
Blue pencils.
What is this?
Blue marker.
What are these?
A paper.
What is this?
A glue book.
Squirrel book. Okay. So we know our what's. And where are you right now? What's the room that we're in?
My room is
This room right here.
a classroom.
Yeah, we'll call this a classroom at the library. Okay. All right. And when do you sleep? Day or night?
Day.
When do you go to bed?
Night.
Nighttime. Okay. All right. So we're going to ask a few questions after we read the story called The Busy Little Squirrel. Okay?
Okay.
So, The Busy Little Squirrel. And we were just talking about squirrels right before this, weren't we? So, it says, leaves were falling, the air was getting cold. When do you think the air gets cold outside? Summer or winter?
Summer.
Summer? Is it summer right now? Yeah. Is it warm outside or cold outside?
Warm.
It's warm, so normally it's summer outside right now. So if it's warm outside now, does it get cold in the winter time?
No, it's not cold.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
So you see the squirrel.
Yeah.
It was time for the squirrel to get ready for winter. So what's this right here?
A leaf.
And what's this thing?
A tail.
That's its tail, but what's the animal you see?
The squirrel.
The squirrel. Okay. Squeak, squeak, said Mouse. Will you nibble a pumpkin with me?
Yeah.
But the squirrel couldn't.
Yeah. And the pumpkin big.
Yeah, the pumpkin's big. And point the mouse to me. All right. So what is that thing?
He eat a pumpkin.
He is eating the pumpkin, but what is this animal?
A mouse.
A mouse. But the squirrel couldn't. He was so busy.
Yeah.
Point out to the squirrel to me. And what does it look like he's trying to get?
An apple.
Yeah, it looks like he's trying to get an apple. Tweet, tweet, said Bird. Will you rest on a branch with us?
Yeah.
What said tweet, tweet?
A tree. The squirrel.
What animal said tweet, tweet? Squirrels don't say tweet, tweet.
A bird.
The bird did. Where's the bird?
Over there.
Okay. And where's the squirrel? And what does he look like he has in his mouth?
Apple.
Yeah, a little apple thing.
Yeah.
But the squirrel couldn't. He was so busy. He's getting into the bird feeder.
Yeah, and the bird feeder eat the food.
Yeah, he's eating the food out of the bird feeder.
Yeah, bird.
Croak, croak, said Frog. Will you hop rocks with us? Where's the frog?
Over there.
Yeah. And what does he want to do with the squirrel?
The hop, hop.
He wants to hop on what?
The feet.
Well, on his feet. What are these things in the water here sticking out?
A wait.
That's the water. What are these things sticking out of the water?
A walk.
The rocks, yes. Now, do you think the squirrel had time?
Yeah.
No. But the squirrels couldn't. He was so busy.
Yeah.
He's getting all this food. What's he getting right now?
He get sticks.
Yeah, what do you think those are?
The food.
Yeah, it's food. Those are berries.
The babies.
Yeah.
That's the fish.
No fish. Oh, you see the fish down here. I see. Meow, meow, said Cat. Will you lie in the sun with us? Where's the cat?
Over there.
Okay. What's with the big cat? What are these little things?
A baby cat.
Baby cats. Okay. Do you think the squirrel had time to do that? Yes or no?
Yes.
What do you think?
And the squirrel.
Squirrel? No, he doesn't have time. You know why?
Oh.
But the squirrel couldn't lie with them.
Oh.
He was so busy.
He go get it. Corn nuts.
He is going to get acorns, yes. Where are the acorns?
Over there.
All right,
And the tree.
in the tree. Woof, woof, said Dog. Will you run in the field with us?
No.
No, because the squirrel couldn't. Because what's the squirrel trying to get this whole time?
A dog.
No, he's not trying to get the dog.
A puppy.
No, he's not trying to get the puppies.
And
He's trying to get what?
a garden. And the corn.
He was so busy. Yeah, he's trying to get more food. He's just like you said, he's getting the corn right here.
Yeah.
Hoo, 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 called the owl. Will you watch the moon with us?
No.
But the squirrel couldn't. You know why this time?
Yeah.
Why? Why do you think?
It's an owl.
Well, that's the owl
That's the baby.
and the baby owls. But why do you think the squirrel couldn't?
Yeah, the orange and the food.
It's because of the food?
Yeah.
Oh,
He go.
not this time.
He go free.
He couldn't watch the moon because now he was fast asleep.
Yeah, he go there.
Yeah, he's taking a nap. He's tired after getting all that food. What types of food do you see in here?
And nuts.
You see what?
The worms.
Not worms.
And the worm.
What is this?
The apple.
Apples, and what does this look like?
A blanket.
No, that's not a blanket.
A glass of blanket. A corn.
Corn, okay. What's this big thing?
A pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Okay,
And the dwarf hit tree.
yeah. And what's he sleeping in? What's this big thing called?
A tree.
A tree. Very good. So he's always busy because he's collecting food, right?
Yeah.
For the winter. So, I got a few questions for you. Who is the story about? Who's the story about?
The door about that squirrel.
That squirrel. Very good. And what are two other animals in the story?
Okay.
You can look through it. What are some animals that are in the story? What did you see?
A baby pumpkin.
Well, that's not an animal, though. What's an animal?
Yes. Two.
I-
Two and a mouse.
The mouse. Yeah, good. So you see the mouse. What's another animal in the story?
The animal.
Yeah.
Another thing.
What's that?
A bird.
A bird? Can you tell me any other animals that you saw?
Yeah.
That we read about?
Bird, bird, bird.
The birds?
Yeah.
And what sound did they make?
And the squirrel.
And yeah, we saw the squirrel too.
And an apple.
Yeah, but the apple's not. Yeah, it's in its mouth, but the apple's not an animal.
And the animal.
What else? What other type of animal? Who else did you see in here? You got the birds and the squirrel.
Yeah.
Go ahead and turn a couple pages. Let's see. Turn another page.
Or turn another page.
Yes, please. What animal is on that one?
The frog.
The frog. Yeah, good. And what is the squirrel collecting this whole time? What is he looking for?
To the water.
He's not looking for water.
Wait.
He does go by the lake. But what is the squirrel looking for? What is he collecting?
Cherry.
Cherries? Yeah, we see some like fruit there.
And
Yeah.
fishing.
He's not going fishing.
A fish.
You do see the fish. He's
Oh,
collecting what? You said cherries?
Yeah.
Can you eat cherries?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the cat.
You can't eat a cat.
The cat grew up.
What is, do you see any food in there?
Yeah, and the baby cat.
No, baby cats aren't the food.
And squirrel. The squirrel.
And the squirrel's not the food.
Yeah, the corn nuts.
He is getting the acorns, yes.
And the dog.
And the dog.
Yeah.
Okay.
And take the corn. And the owl. The mule. The squirrel. The big tree.
Big tree. What is he sleeping in?
The big
It's a
tree.
big tree. Very good. All right. Do you like the story?
Yeah.
Good. All right. So we're working on some WH questions. When do you think he went to sleep? In the daytime or the nighttime?
The daytime.
The day night?
No, it's the
When is it dark outside?
and the dolphin.
And you go sleep when? When is it dark outside when you go to sleep?
And
Is it day or night?
At
When it's
night.
dark out. Oh, okay. It's nighttime. Good, good. So we did some where questions and some when and what and who. So, remember, who are people or animals?
Yeah.
What are things? Like this is a marker, and this is a what?
Blue pencil.
And this is a what?
A book.
And what are you sitting in?
A chair.
And what are you wearing right now?
A red hat.
A what?
The
A
shirt.
shirt. Good. And where is a place? What was the squirrel sleeping in?
A knife.
He was sleeping at night. That's when. Where was he sleeping?
A tree.
In a tree. Very good. Good job. All right. So I've got a couple worksheets that also have to do with writing words, but they're using picture clues for different things. So this first one says, I see the
Cat.
cat. You have two words, coat and cat. So which word are you gonna write?
The cat.
The cat. Okay. So there's cat, so write cat right there.
There.
All right. And then, what's our next one? I see the,
I
see the,
the
is this stamp or stew? Yeah, stew is a type of food. Does that look like food to you?
no.
So it's probably the stamp. So you see the stamp.
Stamp.
All right, so it's this one right here.
Yeah.
So write that right there for me, please. Very good. How about this one? I see the
mouse.
mouse. Yeah, there's two words, a mouse and a mat. So which one is this?
A mouse.
So mouse is this one right here. So go ahead and write mouse for me, please. Very good. I see the
chair.
chair. So this is a chair.
Is
The two choices are chin
the
or chair.
a chair.
So chair is the one you want to write right here.
Yeah.
So write that here for me, please. Chair.
Then
All right. One more for this one.
a book.
Yeah, I see the book.
A book.
So boy
And
or book?
a book.
Book. So write book for me, please. Right here. Book.
Then
Very good, Hunter. Oh, put your name on there for me, please.
O.
Thank you. All right. Ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay. And then after that, we'll take a little break. All right?
Okay.
Okay. So right here, I've got some more words and some more pictures. And at the bottom, you've got 3 pictures. You've got a fridge.
Yeah.
You have a fridge at home?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you put in the fridge?
To the house
What do you put in it though? In the refrigerator?
and the kitchen.
In the kitchen it goes? Do you put food in there?
Yeah, there's the kitchen, the house,
In the kitchen in the house. Yep.
my house.
Yeah.
That the ghost in there.
What is this?
A bird.
A bird. So you got a fridge and a bird. And what is this?
A light.
Yeah, a lamp.
When?
Yeah, lamps make light.
Yeah.
Good. So on each one of these, we're gonna read the sentences together, and then you're gonna tell me which of these 3 things it is. All right. So this first one says, I am on a table.
Table.
I give off light. What am I?
And mine.
So which of these things
A refrigerator.
does a refrigerator sit on a table?
Yeah. No.
No.
It's the light.
The light sits on a table. Yeah, the lamp.
When?
Say lamp with me. Lamp.
When?
Okay. So lamp. And which one of these gives off light?
And the when?
A lamp. Okay. So up here, I want you to write lamp. Very good. All right, let's look at this one. I have feathers.
Feather.
I chirp. Chirp, chirp, chirp.
A bird.
What am I? A bird. Okay, good. So we did process of elimination there, but let me read the sentence.
Okay.
I am in a kitchen.
I use the kitchen.
I keep things cold. What am I?
A refrigerator.
The fridge. Yeah, the refrigerator. They just have fridge here. And so you wrote fridge. Good job. So Who is this?
A bird.
And what is this?
A foot letter.
And what is this?
A lamb.
Very good. All right, put your name on there for me, please, sir.
Yeah.
You're doing really well. Oops. Who are you?
I'm Hunter.
You're a hunter. Who was the lady who drove you here today?
A mama.
Mommy. What did you drive in?
A car.
Where are you right now?
The school.
The school? Okay. Yeah, we're at the library, but this is almost like a classroom. What is this?
A foot squirrel.
About squirrel, yeah. What are these?
A paper.
What is this?
A blue marker.
What are you sitting in?
A chair.
Okay. When do you go to sleep?
Nighttime.
Nighttime. And when do you wake up?
Awake.
When do you wake up? Day or night?
Night.
Try again.
Okay.
When do you wake up? Day or night?
Day.
Daytime, when it's light outside.
Yeah.
Okay. What is this thing?
A Peter.
A computer. Good. What am I wearing?
Shirt.
Okay. So, we need to practice a little bit more with our whens. And we need to practice a little bit more with, well, let me ask you this question. How do you write things down? What do you use?
A lamb. A
What?
bird. A footlet.
Okay.
The blue marker.
Not, this is the marker?
No, it's blue pencils.
Blue pencils. Okay. And how do you write?
The paper.
Right. Using what with the paper?
To the lamb.
Okay. So can you show me how you write your name on the back?
Yeah. It's A.
How is a little bit more difficult because it's a concept. And we're having a little bit of a tough time with those.
Oh.
All right. When do I eat breakfast?
The pancake.
Well, that's what.
Or waffles.
When do I eat breakfast? Do I eat breakfast in the morning or at night?
Morning.
Morning. Good. When is it cold outside? The winter or the summer?
It's summer.
Summer it's cold outside?
No.
No.
It's
Winter or summer?
winter.
Okay. Okay. So, you've done a really good job today.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You go.
And so, this ends the lesson on the WH sounds. Thank you very much, Hunter.
You go.